In just over a week's time, I'm going to be starting to teach a new course for the Theopolis Institute on the subject of baptism. A course that runs for 6 weeks online, running every Saturday for 2 hours from 1 to 3 p.m. Central Time. We'll be getting into all of the vexed questions surrounding baptism. We'll be exploring the biblical text, seeing how it provides a rich framework for understanding what baptism means and how the practice of baptism defines the church and the people of God. We'll be thinking about the way that baptism changes the way that we understand ourselves, our Christian lives, and what it means to live in the body between the events of the death of Christ and the resurrection to come. We'll be looking into questions of the proper subjects of baptism, of the mode of baptism, and of various other aspects of the ritual. The course will have a classic Theopolitan flavour, bringing together Bible, liturgy and culture, showing how our views on baptism have implications in all of those ways. Scripture is something that informs our understanding of baptism, and baptism is something that brings us into a new relationship with the Scripture, and all of these have ramifications that flow out into culture. If you're interested, look below for a link where you can sign up. It's only $100 for the entire program, and it will be jam-packed with all sorts of material. This is a course I've long wanted to teach, and I would love to share this time with you. Thank you very much for listening, and hope to see some of you in a week's time. God bless.